This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. St. John's, Newfoundland's getting a big blizzard on Thursday. It's supposed to be a 30 to 40 centimeters of snow, locally upwards to 50 centimeters of snow possible. St. John's, Newfoundland is getting a major snowstorm. It's going to be a zero visibility, whiteout conditions. And a real strong winds and blizzard conditions. It's going to be a blizzard hitting St. John's, Newfoundland on Thursday, January the 10th, 2013. Major blizzard is hitting St. John's, Newfoundland. Here's my advice for people that live in St. John's, Newfoundland. People in St. John's, be prepared. Don't go outside, don't go walking in the streets. Stay indoors. Have your iPads charged, have your cell phones charged, have your tablets charged, have your mobile internet ready, 3G. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food because the big storm is going to hit St. John's, Newfoundland on Thursday. Don't wait till the last minute to order your pizzas and Chinese food. Buy cases of pop. Have your extra batteries ready. Have your flashlights ready. Have your crank up radio ready. Have your lanterns ready because the snowstorm is going to be so bad the wind's going to gust up to over 100 kilometers per hour in St. John's, Newfoundland. The storm is going to be very powerful. Once the storm moves off Nova Scotia, it's going to rapidly intensify. There will be storm surges along the Southeast Coast of Newfoundland. Stay away from the beaches. Don't go near the shore. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready. Hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants. When the power goes out, have your flashlights and candles and extra batteries because the storm is going to be so powerful in St. John's, Newfoundland. Don't drive your car down the street during the storm, and don't go drive the car or you can get in a car accident in St. John's, Newfoundland. Because the storm is going to be very powerful. People in St. John's, don't go driving around the big snowstorm. When the storm is over, get out your shovels and get out your snow plows. During the storm, don't go shoveling the snow. During the storm, best of luck to ya. People in St. John's, Newfoundland, be prepared for a big blizzard on Thursday, January the 10th, 2013. Good luck and stay safe.